addition sum. It's a different method. We are going to use some that properties, associative property or distributive property. That we are going to use that property. Then we are going to solve this kind of sums. So by sum, what's the question? Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. We have to find the sum, means total. We have to find the total, but we have to arrange the suitable arrangement. So here they given 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 numbers. We have to rearrange which one is if you add, which is easily we can add. So we have to find that. Now I will take this number. Why I take this number, because if you take this last number 7, here 3. If you add both, it will come 10. So it will come, the result will be 0. So first we will add, and first we have to rearrange this. So what I will do, 837 plus 363. Then I will take this side. So now I will rearrange for adding easily. I am going to add easily. So now 7 plus 3, 10. 10 means 0. You put remainder 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0. Remainder 1. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Now easily we can add. So 1200 plus 208, how much? 1408. This is the answer. So what I done, they given like this sum, we need to add this number. So as for that, I arrange the given numbers, I rearrange the number, then I add this number easily, because 7 plus 3, 10, we can add easily. So first I add this one, then second I will add this one. So finally I get the result. Okay. Okay students, now we are going to find a solution, another kind of sum. The sum is find the product. If you see the product means you have to do multiplication. Okay, product by suitable rearrangement. So given these kind of sums, we have to rearrange and we have to find the answer easily. Okay, so here this is a sum. Now I am going to rearrange the given sum. So first what I will do, I will take this and this. So 2 into 50. Then after that I will go to multiply by 1768. So I rearrange easily. Now I can multiply easily. 2 50s are, I know it's 100. 2 50s are 100. Then I will take the number as it is. Now if you multiply this, we can do like this, 8 zeros, zeros like this. But simply I will tell you one thing. Write this number 1768. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. That's it. So simply I multiply the first small numbers, because last number is 0. It's ending 0. So we can easily multiply. 250s are 100. So here 100. Again, if you want to multiply this, you take this whole number, then take only zeros, put in last. So we get the answer. Let me take another example. Here I am going to rearrange the number, given number. So now you can you guess what I am going to do? I am going to multiply first 4 and 25, because I know 4 25s are 100. Easily you can understand. So what I will do? 4 into 25 first I am going to multiply, then after I am going to multiply 166. So listen carefully. 4 25s are You know very well, 4 20s are 80, 4 5s are 20, so then 100. So 100 and 166. Now no need to multiply. What I told you, put this number first, then take these two zeros. That's it. So I hope you understand, students. Now we are going to solve some different kind of sums. The sum is find the value of the following. You have to find the value of the given following numbers. So if you see here multiplication and plus is there. We have to do multiplication and addition, both sums we have to do this. So first what I will do, if you look at the number 297 2 times are there. So I will take one time outside, then remaining 17 plus 3, because here plus is there, na? So we have to, I am going to add these two number. So commonly 297 I will take outside. So 297 multiply, then 17 plus 3, then 297 20. Finally we have to multiply this. So simply what I will do, we just forgot this 0. Just you forgot this 0. Take 2, multiply these all numbers. Then finally put 0 in end of the result, end of the product. So first I will take 2 sevens are 14, remainder 1. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19, remainder 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Then finally add this 0. This is the answer. So what I done, 297 2 times are there. I will take separately. Then 17 plus 3 I add. So I got 20. So I forgot this 0. First I multiply these all numbers. So I got 594. Then finally I add this 0. Then answer we got. The same here also, second one, the B sum. 5,000, sorry, 1 tens, 100,000, 10,000. 54,279. 2 times are there. 54,279. Here 2 places are there. Then remaining 92 plus 8 is only difference. So what I will do, the same procedure. I will take 54,279. I will take separately. Then remaining 92 plus 8. So now what I will do, I will add this number. So 54,279 multiply 92 plus 8, 100, no? Now we can, no need to multiply. Why? Because I told you, you write all the numbers as it is, 54,279, then take 2 zeros. That's it. This is the answer. So easily we can find the value of the given following. Okay.